Good morning, distributors worldwide. My name is Mercy Garki Karigi. I'm a proud member of Alliance Emotion Global and a gold executive by rank, a member of the Millionaire Circle, and also a Speakers Bureau member of Alliance Emotion Global. So over here, I'm ready to take you through our marketing plan, how you get paid by Alliance Emotion Global. But before that, I would love to introduce you to the cash flow quadrants, because in life we say you only learn from two people, either your own mistakes or mentors. And in the 21st century, it is very bad if at all you're going to learn from your own mistakes, bearing in mind that you have mentors who have done whatever we are trying to do and they have already succeeded. So for me, one of my mentors is called Robert Kiyosaki. He's written so many books, but the first book I want to talk about is the cash flow quadrant. And on the cash flow quadrant, he talks about people get paid in four major ways. People make money in four major ways. Number one, you're either employed, you're either self-employed, in the big business quadrant or in the investment quadrant. So the quadrant is divided into four different parts and also divided again into two different parts, whereby we have the left side and the right side. The left side contains of either people who are either poor or average, and the right side of the quadrant we have people who are either rich or wealthy. So on the poor or average quadrant, on the side we have employed and also self-employed. In the employed quadrant, we have people who are in a job. Somebody who is employed, probably they're working from 7 in the morning till 5 in the evening, and this particular person depends solely on their effort for that particular job to run, or for that particular job to pay them. That means there is no leverage in that particular place. And here they trade their time for money. If at all you're employed to earn 30,000 each and every single month, it simply means that you can only work for 30 days for you to get paid the 30,000. If you don't work, automatically you don't earn the 30,000 at the end of that particular month. So clearly there is no leverage. Next we have the self-employment quadrant. In the self-employment quadrant, most people over there, they argue they are their own bosses. They tend to think that, for example, if at all I quit my job, go take a loan and put up a very big self-employment business, it's very, very easy for me to become rich. But one thing they forget is being your own boss simply means you're managing your resources, you're making decisions, you hire and fire, you decide each and everything. You're the one to run this particular business entirely. And most of them fail because, for example, somebody who is running an M-Pesa business, they'll think that they're self-employed. But trust me, if Safaricom is out of business, an M-Pesa cannot run. So you find even on making decisions, you don't rely on your own decisions. You rely on decisions from Safaricom. The other example is maybe a salon or a boutique. If you have a boutique, maybe in town or any other place, and you decide that, let me go for lunch for at least 1 hour, and then come back. Automatically, most of the times you find that most of them don't even go for lunch or close the shop, because closing this particular shop, they presume that customers are gonna come at that particular time. And if a customer comes and they miss them, that means a sale is gone. And that simply means that they are not their own bosses. In the end of the day, it is customers who are controlling this particular business. You find again, they trade their time and money. Number one, they invested in this particular business, and it has to take time for it to grow. And in the end of the day, you find most businesses close down within 6 months and they go back to their homes. Next, we have the big business quadrant. In the big business quadrant, you own a system. And a system plus a network is equals to success. If you have a system and you have a network, automatically you're going to succeed. Let me again use Safaricom. Safaricom is a very big business over here in the country, Kenya, and it has a system. For example, when you want to load airtime to your phone, you're going to use *141*, the number, and then hash, or you use M-Pesa, which M-Pesa is a product of Safaricom. That is their ready-made system. There is no other system you can use for you to load airtime to your phone. And that simply means that if Safaricom has that particular system and automatically they have that particular network, that's why they have that particular huge profits that we normally see each and every single year or each and every single day. Let me start with maybe the population of Kenya. We are around 45 million. And being 45 million, if at all 27 million Kenyans are loading Safaricom airtime each and every day, probably 20 shillings each and every single day, just calculate 27 million Kenyans times 20 shillings each and every single day. It simply means Safaricom makes around 540 million in a single day. In 30 days, that is 16.2 billion. They're using three things, that is other people's time, other people's money, and other people's effort. They're not forcing you to buy their services. You need to make a call, you're gonna buy airtime. You need to browse through the internet, you're gonna buy their airtime. At the end of the day, they have bridged the market gap of communication. So over there, on the big business quadrant, people work with you. And Alliance in Motion Global, what I'm about to present to you, definitely relies on this particular system. Alliance in Motion Global by itself is a system, and yours is to grow your network, and automatically you're guaranteed to success, you're guaranteed to become a multi-millionaire, just like any other big business outside there. The good thing about Alliance in Motion Global is you require very little amount of capital for you to get started. Next, we have the investment quadrant. On the investment quadrant, money works for you. For example, you can invest in real estate, treasury bonds, bills, security, stock exchange market, and any other that you might think of. Somebody who bought a building, for example, 5 years ago at maybe 5 million, today that building is worth 5 times that amount of money and even more, depending on the area that they bought. But trust me, like 5 years ago, if you didn't have 1 million to buy a particular place, today, even if you're told in the next 3 years or 2 years it's gonna be worth 100 million, it's not going to make sense. So over here, you require to have money. And most people, the rich people, especially billionaires and multi-millionaires, they are always in these particular quadrants. Let me use an example of Chris Kirubi. Chris Kirubi is a multi-billionaire, and he's invested in different things. Recently, he built the Two Rivers Mall, which cost him 27 billion. I believe by now he has already recovered his capital and running in profits. But if at all he never had the 27 billion, today he will not be making the amount of money he's earning each and every single day. So you can never go wrong in the investment quadrant. But one thing I'll tell you, it's very hard for you to move from the employment quadrant to the investment quadrant without corruption or just legally. Illegally, yes, you can, but legally, it's very, very hard. But most people in the big business quadrant move to the investment quadrant very, very easily. On to that, next to that, why Alliance in Motion Global? The uniqueness of Alliance in Motion Global. Number one, it's a one-time, lifetime international investment. That is, immediately you make your investment, there's no renewals, no monthly quotas, and no maintenance. Also, you get a 25 to 30% lifetime discount. If you go to a supermarket or places that people shop, you'll find that offers or discounts come during seasons. For example, during the Christmas season, maybe during the Happy New Year season and all that. But in Alliance, on the very day you get started, till your eternity, you're going to have a lifetime discount. You get unique products, or you'll never find our products in the supermarket or any other place. You will only find our products either in our Alliance in Motion Global head offices. You will also find our products from Nature's Way where they are manufactured, and also from an Alliance in Motion Global distributor, somebody who is already a member. You get a distributor-friendly and upgraded marketing plan. We have 7 different ways of making money here at Alliance in Motion Global, and with the 7 different ways of making money, automatically, if at all you can't do the first one, you have an option of doing the rest of them until you get to the one that suits you best. Next, we get our work page online DTC, and that is the system of Alliance in Motion Global. That is distributor tracking center. You also get paid on a daily basis. We have the daily payout system, and that signifies how stable we are. We also have travel opportunities. This is something I've been able to enjoy courtesy of Alliance in Motion Global. For the close to 3 years that I've done the business, I've been able to travel to the Philippines, and everything was totally free. The other thing we get is free trainings and seminars. When you join the business, we understand you don't have enough knowledge and skills for you to run your business. And the truth is, even if you're given a car outside there, a Mercedes-Benz, and you don't know how to drive, it can never help you. The same way, our opportunity is a gold mine. But for you to make a lot of money and good amount of money, you have to have knowledge and skills which are given by our company at a very, very free cost. Next, you get paid, you get a legitimate and a very stable company, and our company is very, very stable. For the past 13 years, close to 14 years, we have been paying our distributors each and every single day without fail. That simply shows we are very, very stable. Each and every single year, we are opening branches to different particular places. We are again very, very legitimate because we have been able to open different offices in different countries, and definitely we have to meet their qualifications. Here in Kenya, our products are verified by KEBS. Our Kenyan government is aware that we have these particular products. The office we have, our head offices at 680 Hotel, definitely they have been verified, and that is why we are very, very legitimate. Next, on our global packages, this is a sample of a global package. This is what you get when you invest with us. It goes for 23,000 Kenya shillings. This is what you're gonna get. We have different global packages. We have global package A and B, and this global package is gonna give you 7 ways of making money. That is 5, 6, 7 ways of making money. You also get paid, you also have entitled to direct referral bonus of 1,100. You're also entitled to a month sales bonus of 3,000 Kenya shillings with Sunday encoding and encashments. That means you earn 7 days each and every single week. Next, we have the associate package you can join with, which goes for 12,800 Kenya shillings, gives you a small amount of products. That means you can only earn in 3 ways. You are entitled to a direct referral bonus of 800 shillings and a month sales bonus of 1,500 Kenya shillings. Ways to earn in Alliance in Motion Global include retailing profit, binary, unilevel, stair-step, PMA, clawback, and royalty income. Let me start with retailing. Retailing is sharing the products. In the global package, you're going to get a box of C24/7, which you can be able to see. This is a complete box of C24/7, the full dosage. This goes for 2,850. And in the 2,850, let's say you know somebody who is suffering from cancer, arthritis, diabetes, or any other genetic disease. You decide to sell the box of C24/7. You can sell it at a minimum of 3,800 Kenya shillings. That means you're going to make a profit of 950 shillings. 950 shillings is good enough to pay 1 or 2 bills. Remember, there is no quota. You sell according to your own pace. Next, let's say you have 10 regular customers in a month. That means you're going to earn 9,500 Kenya shillings. If you have 100 regular customers, you're going to earn 95,000 Kenya shillings. If you are doing the business on a part-time basis, trust me, this can enable you to get to the business full-time. Next way of making money is on the direct referral bonus. Our company strictly relies on the binary compensation plan. Bi means 2. A binoculars can only have 2 lenses, a bicycle can only have 2 wheels. So even in the system of Alliance Motion Global, you only require 2 people to join your particular business. I believe we go to different places, for example, salons, hotels, places to buy clothes and all that. And if your friend sees you with a very, very nice shoe, and they ask you where did you buy your shoe, automatically you're not going to keep quiet about it. You're going to tell them that maybe you bought it from Backyard, and if you're very, very kind enough, you can even take them to Backyard. They take the shoe that they wanted, and automatically Backyard is going to make a profit out of your referral marketing. Most of the times, you find that Backyard is not going to compensate you for referring them a client. But over here at Alliance in Motion Global, it's very, very simple. You get compensated for selling a product on behalf of the company that you are representing. That is what network marketing is. Let's say it is you over there, for example. You have joined the business. You introduce your first 2 friends, for example, Anita and Bruno. If you introduce Anita and Bruno, the company compensates you a direct referral bonus of 1,100 Kenya shillings. One might say that is little amount of money, but I remind you, outside there, you have referred people to very many places, and you never got compensated for that. So I believe that's a good token of appreciation. If you join with the associate and you refer your first 2 friends, Anita and Bruno, you're going to earn 800 Kenya shillings. Next, on the month sales bonus, this is where the large money lies on. And even if you're sleeping in this particular presentation, please wake up, because this is where the millions are. Let's say you have joined the business, you introduce your first 2 friends, Anita and Bruno, each on the left and right, and after introducing them, there is a pairing bonus. So long as you have somebody on your left side and another person on your right side, you're going to earn an automatic of 3,000 Kenya shillings. So if you join with 23,000 Kenya shillings, you refer your first 2 friends, you're going to earn 5,200 Kenya shillings, which I believe that is good amount of money. If you join with the associates, and you introduce your first 2 friends, you earn 800 for the direct referral bonus and 1500 for the mad sales bonus. Now this goes up to infinity. You're gonna continue earning the left and right bonus till infinity. Let me show you how. You got the left sales force and the right sales force. This is you at the top there. You introduce Anita and Bruno. You got paid 1,100, 1,100. The mad sales bonus of 3,000 Kenya shillings. Let's say you stopped at that particular point, but Anita went ahead and introduced her first 2 friends, and Bruno went ahead and also introduced his first 2 friends. Anita, it is courtesy of you that we have Anita in the business, and courtesy of you again we have Bruno in the business. So if you weren't there at the top, we presume that Anita and Bruno will not have been there, and therefore the 2 people that the owner introduced into the business will not have been there. But since they're there, the company will compensate you. That is, you're gonna get paid left and right 3,000 Kenya shillings to you, left and right 3,000 Kenya shillings to you. And this goes up to infinity. It doesn't stop because this is entirely your network. It is courtesy of you. We have everybody else down there. Let's say you join with the associate. The same is gonna happen to you. Left and right 1,500, left and right 1,500, left and right 1,500 Kenya shillings. Remember, this is a daily payout system. Next, there is no time frame. Remember also we got spillovers in the business. There is no time frame, and again, no maintenance. You don't maintain your account when you join the business. Let me compare between the global package and the associate package. Let me start. You earn with 7 ways. Number 1 with the global package. On the associate package, you only earn in 3 ways. The other thing, you have a maximum of 16 pairs each and every single day with the global package. Here you only have a maximum of 10 pairs with the associate package. Here you earn up to 48,000 in a day with the global package. Here you can only make up to 15,000 in a day. You only earn 336,000 per week. That is 1.4 million per month. In the associate package, you can only make up to 450,000 in a single month. Next, multiple accounts. You can decide to join the business as an entrepreneur. This is called the entrepreneur package. You join the business with free accounts, which goes for 69,000 Kenya shillings. 69,000 simply means the first account is gonna be registered at the top, then you're gonna have your second account on your left and the other account on your right side. Very simple. By the very day that you join, you're gonna go home with free global packages, and also you're going to earn 5,200 without introducing anybody. But when you start introducing people, you require 4 people. 4 people only. There is 2 on your account 2, another 2 on your account 3. Your 3 accounts have a maximum potential of paying you up to 144,000 per day and up to 4.4 million per month. Again, the same continues up to infinity. Let's say you are an international investor. You decide to join with the international package, which goes for 161,000. There you're going to get 7 global packages. 7 global packages. And also you're going to have 7 accounts. That means 7 streams of earning money. And with the 7 accounts, very simple. On the very first day that you join, you're going to go home with 21,600 Kenya shillings. With the 7 accounts, you need to introduce 8 people, 2 on your account 4, 2 on your account 5, 2 on your account 6, and 2 on your account 7. Very simple. Up to the 7 account, it again goes up to infinity. You're entitled to spillovers, and also you have a maximum potential of earning 336,000 per day, and that is 10.4 million per month. The other way of making money, very simple, is the uni level. You have built a network. In this particular network, people have joined because of different reasons. They're sharing our products, they're using our products, and on the very first level, that is the directs, the people that you introduced, they reorder the products for their own usage or sharing the products depending on them. The company compensates you 10% from all your directs. From the second level up to the 10th level, you earn 5%. This is paid on a monthly basis, that is on every 15th of the month. There's a dynamic compression that ensures all distributors earn bonuses within the 10 earning levels without breakage or without incumbrance due to non-performing or inactive distributors. The next rank is on the rank. The next way of making money is on the ranks. Everywhere you go, there are ranks and there are titles. The good thing about our ranks they come with more money. For example, you start the business as a distributor. Everybody who joins the business is started as a distributor. Next is a silver executive. Next is a gold executive. Next is a global ambassador. Next is a ruby global ambassador. And finally is a diamond global ambassador. As indicated on all of them, silver executive, you're entitled to 10% entire bonuses from all distributors in your network. A gold executive, 20%. A global ambassador, 30%. A ruby global ambassador, 35%. A diamond global ambassador, 40%. Very, very easy. It's very, very easy to achieve these ranks as a team. And the person who's gonna send you this video is gonna explain to you into detail. Number one, it has got features. It's group reorder points. Not your own personal reorder points. Here we work more as a team and as a family. Over here, again, it's accumulated. If you have 10 points, you just add 90 to make it 100 for you to become a gold executive. Next, no time frame. There's nobody who will tell you you're supposed to become a global ambassador within 3 months. No, you work according to your own time. Next, no reversion. There's no single day you're going to become a silver executive, then you'll be demoted to a distributor. No. If you're a silver executive, you're a silver executive forever till you become a gold executive. You're a gold executive, you're a gold executive forever till you become a global ambassador. No pass up, there is no single day you can surpass your upline on the ranks. Next, we have GA with PMA, a global ambassador with PMA. How are they going to earn in the business? It's very simple. If you're a global ambassador with the rank, you have done your PMA, you've introduced people into the business, you earn up to 1,000 step. You are entitled to 1,000 step points. That is 1,000 times 30,000 times 30%, which earns you on the monthly basis also. Next, we have improved royalty income. Then we have the GA again with PMA. They have bought, that is 2 boxes of C24/7 in a single month. If you're a GA with PMA and you have other GAs in your particular genealogy or in your particular network, and each global ambassador has done a PMA for their particular account, you earn up to they are entitled to 2% royalty income from the company. The other thing, finally, we have is on the encashment process. That is how you get paid, how you're able to withdraw money from your own DTC, that is your own online account, to your bank account for you to get it in cash or solid form. Number one, we have partnered with very powerful banks, that is EcoBank and CFC Stanbic. Now, when you join Alliance in Motion Global, you need to open an account with EcoBank, submit a photocopy of your account number and the account name with your valid ID. Make sure that your bank details and bank details are the same as what is in your DTC. If you have 3 names in your ID, ensure you use the 3 names when registering and also when using in the bank. Next, we have travel opportunities. We have different trips. Each and every single year we go to the Philippines to celebrate our anniversaries. We actually have air travels, which takes people to different places. For example, South Korea, Japan. We have US also. We have Dubai and different particular places. Like you can be able to see, we had the Kenyan delegates on 2018 and also in 2019, and I qualified for both of them. You can be able to see me on those particular places. Next, we have some of the events that we had in the Philippines, which were very, very awesome, which were very, very also enlightening. You can be able to see we also have team building events to help us grow, because this is a team that we are building, it's a network that we are building each and every single day. This was at Windsor Golf, that's a 5-star hotel here in Kenya. We also have Leaders Thanksgiving. This happened last year. You can be able to see very many people grace the occasion. We also had a Thanksgiving event, particularly 2019. Also, it was graced by very many different people. We also have big events, special events like the AIM Academy event to teach us more on skills and knowledge. We also invite our international trainers because the company is very, very supportive. And AIM Academy, this was in 2018. It was here at KICC. You can be able to see it was a very, very big arena with over 4,000 distributors. We also had AIM recognition rally. Here at Alliance in Motion Global, we recognize each and every person with their own efforts. I believe if you're working for somebody, they only recognize you when you have made a mistake. But here at Alliance in Motion Global, we recognize people for their particular efforts. Here you get paid for your results and for your own particular effort. We also have recognition rally, for example, car achievers and all that. And we also had the kick-off training that was to start the year 2019, that was in last year. We also had the kick-off training for the year 2020 with different people. We occupied a very big premise. Next, we have our training system. When you join the business, you undergo different trainings. Whatever I'm doing right now is just an opportunity plan presentation. After you have joined the business, we're going to have new distributors orientation, Alliance Success and Achievement Program, technical training, DTC training, Invex and Workshop training, special and big trainings. Then finally, you'll be qualified for the Speakers Bureau, very, very prestigious in the company. If you want to become the next millionaire, it's very, very simple. Register with the global package from here at Alliance in Motion Global. Recruit, share the opportunity with different people, and the direct referral bonus and the Martins bonus. Share the products, retail the products, and at the end of the day, you're going to become the next millionaire in town. Start small. 23,000 may be small or big, depending on how you look at it. If you look at it as an investment, trust me, it's very little amount of money. But if you look at it as a spending, it's a lot of money, and therefore definitely they're not going to be profits when you spend on that particular amount of money. And finally, as I wind up, to walk 1,000 miles, you have to decide to take the first step. With God, with Alliance in Motion Global, everything is possible. I'm a believer and I believe everything is possible. Thank you so much for your time. Let me see you in the system. Let me see you. Let's do business together. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Welcome.